students, welcome back to Shantisoft Technologies PHP tutorial part 4 logic building. First of all, decision making statements in PHP. We can use the conditional statements in your code to make decisions. PHP support the following 3 decisions making statements are here. This figure will show how the conditional statements works. I will explain. So we are going to write the condition out here. If the condition is true, it will move to the conditional code and move to end. If the condition is false, this does not move to the conditional code, it will move to the end part. In PHP, support the following decisions making statements: if-else statement and else-if statement. The syntax of the if-else statement is if, then condition, then body part or the statements. Code to be executed if condition is true. Else, code to be executed if condition is false. If you want to execute some condition or some code, if a condition is true, and another code if a condition is false, we can use the if-else statements. This is an example of the PHP statement, if-else statement. First of all, we start the PHP, then declare a variable d and assign value to the d Friday. If d equal to Friday or FRI, echo have a nice weekend. Otherwise, it will print have a nice day. So we can see the output over here. Then else if statement. If you want to execute some code, if one of the several conditions are true, use the else if statements. The syntax of the else if statement is if, then condition, code to be executed if condition is true, else if another condition, then code to be executed if condition is true, then else part, code to be executed if the condition is false. The example of this else if statement: variable d, assign value to mon, condition is if d equal to FRI, have a nice weekend. Else if d equal to SUN, have a nice Sunday. Else echo have a nice day. We can see the output here. Okay, next one is looping type. As you know that loop, why we are using loop? If a condition is, or if a statement is executed one or more times, that time we are using loop. That means loop in PHP are used to execute the same block of a code a specified number of times. PHP support 4 loop types. First one, for loop, while loop, do while and for each. First one is for loop. Loop through a block of code a specified number of times. That is for loop. But in the while, through a block of code if and as long as specified condition is true. In the do while, loop through a block of code once and then repeat a loop as long as a special condition is true. The very important thing is the PHP is for each. The loop through a block of code for each statements in an array. Okay, for loop. The for loop statement is used when you know how many times you want to execute the statement or a block of statements. That means I will explain this figure. An item from the sequence. In the for loop, we should know that how many times they execute statements. If no more item in the sequence, it will move to the end part. Item from the sequence, it will next item from the sequence execute the statements. If the condition is true, it will execute the statements and then move to the item from the sequence. Okay, see the syntax of the for loop. For loop is divided into 3 parts. First part is initialization part, then termination and condition, termination and increment. Then code to be executed. So I will explain the for loop example here. For I equal to 0, the value of the I is 0. This part is initialization part. Then move to the condition I less than 5. If I less than 5, system move to the body part. That means A plus equal to A plus 10 and B plus equal to B plus 5. B equal to B plus 5, A equal to A plus 10. This is a body part. Then system will move to the reinitialization or incremental part, I plus plus. System move to the condition statement. This is the for loop. This is a working of the for loop also. Then next one is a while loop statement. While loop statement will execute a block of the code if and as long as the test condition is true. If the test expression is true, then the code block will be executed. After the code has executed, the test expression will again be evaluated and the loop will continue until the text expression is found to be false. I will explain while loop, and before that the syntax of the while loop is while, then condition and code or body part or statement part. Okay. Example, while I less than 10, condition is I less than 10. If I less than 10, body is num e minus minus, and it will increase what I increased I plus plus. That means I plus 1. That means 10 plus 1, 11. Now the value of the I is 11. Okay. Then next one is do while statement. The do while statement execute a block of the code at least once. But in the while loop, we know that the while loop is known as entry statement and do while is known as exit statement. The first of all, do will execute. That means the sentence explain do while statement will execute a block of code at least once. In the while loop, if the condition is false, body part will not execute. That means we didn't get any output. But in the do while, we can get output. Example, do I plus plus. I plus plus, that means the value of the I is 10, it will display 11. If the condition is false also, output is 11. While condition I less than 10, echo loop stopped at I equal to I, value of the I. So this is the difference between while loop and do while loop. Thank you.